This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken soup step by step. Start by gathering your ingredients and tools so everything is within reach. Rinse the chicken and trim excess fat, then chop vegetables into even pieces for uniform cooking. Keep aromatics separate and ready to add at the right time. Using cold water and a cold start helps extract clear, flavorful broth as you simmer gently. Begin with a cold start and bring the pot slowly to a gentle simmer for the clearest broth and best flavor. Skim foam and impurities as they rise to keep the liquid bright and clean. Add tougher vegetables first, then tender herbs later so they retain flavor without overcooking. Simmer low and slow until meat falls off the bone and the broth tastes rich and balanced, adjusting salt as needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes timers, hands-free recipes, and music simple while you cook, and it fits neatly on any countertop for voice control and morning briefings. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When the chicken is tender, remove it to cool slightly and shred the meat, discarding skin and bones or saving bones for stock later. Strain the broth through a fine sieve if you want an extra clear presentation, then return the shredded chicken and vegetables to the pot. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. A small squeeze of lemon or a few parsley leaves brightens the bowl before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.